Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMT Traders channel. So we're taking a look at e-gold. I feel like this pair needed a significant amount of analysis under and definitely an update. So what I've concluded from this pair is that we saw this huge rocket off into up to the moon. Now, do I think that this could potentially be a further continuation higher? Potentially. I don't think that this is definitely going to drop anytime soon. But I've got some key warning points that I wanted to level out. So my new kind of interest now is I'm marking this now as my low. So I don't think price is going to go lower than 50. I think what we could now look at is potentially this opportunity where price, hopefully, if it can come back into this area. So I'm looking into this kind of range here. So between this red one. So what we want to try and do is to see if price can get back into this area, and then hopefully this could be the new buying opportunity in which we hope to break the new high. So if this is the new high and price starts to break lower and lower and lower, we'll wait for price to probably turn over, and then we can use this as a new targeted high, if that makes sense. Okay. So yeah, all I'm trying to say right now is we just need to kind of stay vigilant on the market, and we can see prices making consecutive higher lows. Now that doesn't mean we need to FOMO in and be worried that price is rapidly pushing higher. We just need to track where the market's going. So if we just map out some high and low targets, so like so. So I'm taking this from a very extreme point, guys. So nothing, like don't take this. Let me start again. I'm taking this from like the extreme point. So I'm not doing the intricate details, like so. Probably could have just done it up there. Boom. Oops. I'll move that across. So like so. Oh. Okay, so basically you kind of see what I'm trying to do. I'll do it again as I speak, but essentially the reason why I'm doing this is just to show you some of the structure points into the market. And it's going to give you kind of like an insight of which like lows and highs that you kind of need to be mindful of. So if I just move this to the side like so, you can see that we're looking, we're going to be mindful of these levels here. Okay, oops. So like here, and here. So if we break all these green ones, we're pretty much going to be of concern, if that makes sense. So if I just draw this like so, do you know what, I'll do that as a box. So just as a clarity sake, if price was to then drop lower, it would be clear that price is potentially reversing, and then we're getting into this level here. So let me just get rid of all of this and probably just do it a little bit better, cleaner version. But yeah, ideally, we could even potentially see price continue to push higher. That's not a problem. What we want to do is position ourselves into the next buying opportunity. So we don't need to worry too much about where price is right now. We just need to stay focused on structure points and see what's happening. So I'll probably just look at the $300 level and the $175 level. So if price was to reverse here and break, this could be an intention where we could potentially start to see price drop lower and lower and significantly move on. So what we could potentially expect moving forward is we may have price continue to push higher, but then eventually what we're trying to do is we're waiting for price to drop lower. So my next update video on this will probably not be if price makes its new high. It will be when price makes us or breaks a structure high low, in which we could potentially spot the sell-off opportunity kicking in. Okay, so I just thought I'd clear up some ideas here on and what I'm seeing in the market currently. Again, obviously everything can change as time goes on, but I can't really see anything unfolding clearly right now. So again, this could clearly rapidly push up, but again, we don't really worry about too much of that. We enter on the pullbacks, and that's where you really want to position yourself. Okay. So yeah, that's all I have for today for eGold. If you are interested in joining our trading group, that link is in the description. If you have any other questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, guys. So if you did get any value from this, leave a like, make sure you're subscribed, and that would be awesome. Thank you all, and we'll see you all in our next video.